everyone. Welcome back to my channel, English Waves. Today, I want to share something very personal with you. I want to talk about 5 simple habits that completely changed my life. 3 years ago, my life was very different. I was always tired. I felt stressed. I wasn't happy. I wanted to change, but I didn't know how. Then I discovered something important. Small habits create big changes. You don't need to change everything at once. You just need to change 5 small things. Do them every day, and slowly your whole life will transform.
Today, I will share these 5 habits with you. Waking up early, reading every day, exercising regularly, writing in a journal, practicing gratitude. These habits are simple. Anyone can do them, and they will change your life too. Let's start.
The problem before. The first habit is waking up early. Before, I always woke up late. My alarm rang at 7 a.m. I pressed snooze. I stayed in bed until 7:30 or 8. Then I rushed to get ready. I had no breakfast. I felt stressed all morning. Sound familiar?
Then I decided to change. I started waking up at 5:30 a.m. Yes, 5:30. At first, it was very hard. I was so tired, but I didn't give up. After 2 weeks, it became easier. After 1 month, it became normal.
The benefits. Now, waking up early has changed my life. Here's how. 1. I have more time. I have 2 quiet hours before work. No phone calls, no emails, just me. 2. I feel more productive. I do my most important work in the morning when my mind is fresh. 3. I feel less stressed. I don't rush anymore. I have time for breakfast, exercise, and planning my day. 4. I feel more in control. I start the day on my terms, not someone else's terms.
The problem before. The second habit is reading every day. Before, I never read books. I said, I'm too busy, or I'm too tired. Instead, I watched TV and scrolled on my phone for hours. Then I made a simple rule. Read for 20 minutes every day. Just 20 minutes. I started with books I enjoyed. Not difficult books, fun books, interesting books.
The benefits. Reading every day has changed me in many ways. 1. I learn new things. I read books about business, health, psychology, and success. Every book teaches me something. 2. My English improved. Reading helped me learn new words and better grammar. 3. I feel more relaxed. Reading before bed is very peaceful. It's better than watching TV or using my phone. 4. I think more deeply. Books make me think about life, people, and ideas.
The results. In 3 years, I have read over 100 books. Can you believe it? Just 20 minutes a day equals 100 books. How to start? Start with just 10 to 15 minutes. Choose books you want to read, not books you should read. Read in the morning or before bed. Keep your book somewhere visible. Reading 20 minutes per day equals 20 books per year. That's amazing.
The problem before. The third habit is exercising regularly. Before, I hated exercise. I thought it was boring and hard. I made excuses. I don't have time. I'm too tired. I'll start tomorrow.
My body felt weak. I was always tired. Then I changed my mindset. I didn't try to exercise for 1 hour. That's too much. I started with just 15 minutes every morning. Simple exercises at home: push-ups, sit-ups, stretching, running in place. The benefits. Regular exercise changed my life completely. 1. More energy. I used to feel tired all day. Now I feel energetic and strong. 2. Better mood. Exercise releases chemicals in your brain that make you happy. It's like natural medicine. 3. Better health. I rarely get sick now. My body is stronger. 4. More confidence. When I feel strong physically, I feel strong mentally too. 5. Better sleep. I fall asleep faster and sleep deeper.
The truth. Here's what I learned. You don't need a gym. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need 1 hour. You just need 15 to 20 minutes and your body. How to start. Start very small. 10 minutes is enough. Do something you enjoy. Walking, dancing, yoga, sports. Exercise at the same time every day. Don't compare yourself to others. Just move your body. Remember, some exercise is better than no exercise.
The results. The problem before. The 4th habit is writing in a journal. Before, my mind was always busy. I worried about many things. I had many thoughts, but they were confused and messy. The change. Then I started writing in a journal every evening, just 10 minutes before bed. I write about what happened today, how I feel, what I'm grateful for, what I learned, my goals and dreams.
The benefits. Journaling changed my life in surprising ways. 1. I understand myself better. Writing helps me understand my feelings and thoughts. 2. I worry less. When I write my worries on paper, they feel smaller and less scary. 3. I solve problems easier. Writing helps me see problems clearly and find solutions. 4. I track my progress. I can look back and see how much I've grown and changed. 5. I sleep better. After writing, my mind feels peaceful and empty. I can sleep easily. The power. There's something magical about writing by hand. It's different from typing on a phone or computer. It feels more personal and powerful. How to start? Buy a notebook that you like. Write for just 5 to 10 minutes. Don't worry about grammar or spelling. Be honest. Nobody will read this but you. Write at the same time every day. Your journal is your best friend. It listens without judging.
Practicing gratitude. The problem before. The 5th and final habit is practicing gratitude. Before, I always focused on what was wrong, what I didn't have, what I wanted, problems, complaints, stress. I forgot to appreciate what I already had. The change. Then I started a simple practice. Every morning, I think of 3 things I'm grateful for, and every night, I write 3 more things in my journal.
Examples. These can be very simple. I'm grateful for my health. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for this delicious food. I'm grateful for this sunny day. I'm grateful for my job. The benefits. Gratitude changed how I see the world. 1. I feel happier. Scientists proved that gratitude makes people happier. It's true. 2. I complain less. When I focus on good things, I forget to complain about small problems. 3. I appreciate people more. I tell people thank you more often. My relationships improved. 4. I attract more good things. When you appreciate what you have, somehow you get more good things. It's amazing.
Gratitude is like magic. It costs nothing. It takes 2 minutes, but it transforms your whole life. How to start. Every morning, think of 3 things you're grateful for. Every evening, write 3 more things. Be specific. Not just my family, but my sister called me today and made me laugh. Feel the gratitude in your heart. Don't just say words. Try this for 1 week. You will see the difference.
Summary. Let me summarize these 5 life-changing habits. 1. Wake up early. Get more time, feel more productive and peaceful. 2. Read every day. Learn new things, improve yourself, expand your mind. 3. Exercise regularly. Get more energy, better health, and confidence. 4. Write in a journal. Understand yourself, solve problems, find peace. 5. Practice gratitude. Feel happier, appreciate life, attract good things. The big picture. These 5 habits seem small, simple, easy, but together they are incredibly powerful. They changed me from someone who was tired and stressed into someone who is energetic, happy, and successful. And they can do the same for you. Important message. But remember, don't start all 5 habits tomorrow. That's too much. Start with 1 habit, just 1. Do it for 30 days. When it becomes automatic, add the 2nd habit, then the 3rd, then the 4th, then the 5th. Be patient with yourself. Small progress is still progress.
Challenge. So here's my challenge for you. Choose 1 habit from today's presentation. Just 1. Start it tomorrow morning. Do it for 30 days. Don't skip any day. After 30 days, come back and tell me how your life has changed. I promise you, your life will change. Remember this important truth. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence is not an act, but a habit. Your habits create your life. Change your habits, change your life. Start today, start small, start now. Thank you so much for listening. I hope these 5 habits will change your life just like they changed mine. Now, I'm happy to answer any questions you have.
Presentation delivery tips. Be enthusiastic. Show excitement about how these habits helped you. Share personal details. Make it feel real and relatable. Use hand gestures. Count on your fingers for the 5 habits. Pause for effect. Let important points sink in. Make eye contact. Connect with different people in the audience. Smile. Show the happiness these habits brought you. Speak from the heart. Be genuine and authentic. Good luck. You'll do great.